Two beasts. Two rival philosophies. The KTM 1290 Super Adventure R, a relentless off-road dominator, built to conquer the untamed. The Ducati Multistrada V4 Pikes Peak, a precision-crafted rocket, blending adventure with sport bike DNA. But when these two titans collide, which one reigns supreme? If you've ever dreamed of owning the most aggressive, high-performance adventure bike, this showdown is for you. Stay tuned, because by the end of this video, you'll know which machine is truly built for your adventure. And trust me, you won't see this coming. 1. Engine and performance. Power. Precision. Pure dominance. The KTM 1290 Super Adventure R roars with a 1,301 cubic centimeters V-twin, churning out 160 horsepower and 138 Nm of torque. This beast was built to crush trails and command off-road terrains like no other. It's raw, untamed, and fiercely aggressive. But across the battlefield, the Ducati Multistrada V4 Pikes Peak fires back with a 1,158 cubic centimeters V4, unleashing 170 horsepower, yes, more than the KTM. Ducati's MotoGP-inspired engine delivers a thrilling, high-revving performance that thrives on pavement and twisty roads. The question is, do you want a brutal, dirt-shredding monster, or a road-slaying speed demon with adventure in its veins? 2. Suspension and handling. Raw power means nothing if you can't harness it. The KTM 1290 Super Adventure R features WP Splore fully adjustable suspension, offering 220 mm of travel. It eats up dirt roads, absorbs impacts, and keeps you planted even in the wildest conditions. This bike was born to defy gravity. But then, Ducati enters the ring with its Öhlins SmartEC 2.0 electronic suspension, dynamically adjusting to every move you make. With a Marzocchi front fork and 170 mm of travel, it's engineered for precision, speed, and supreme cornering control. KTM dominates off-road. Ducati commands the asphalt. But where will your next adventure take you? 3. Technology and rider aids. Modern adventure bikes are more than just brute force, they're intelligent machines. The KTM 1290 Super Adventure R gives you an arsenal of electronic aids, lean-sensitive traction control, customizable ride modes, and off-road ABS, all designed to keep you in control no matter how extreme the ride. Meanwhile, the Ducati Multistrada V4 Pikes Peak pushes technology to the next level with its radar-assisted adaptive cruise control, blind spot detection, and semi-active suspension tuning. One bike is built for pure adventure chaos. The other? A cutting-edge, road-dominating thrill ride. The decision? Not as easy as you think. For riding experience and comfort. Long rides. Endless miles. Which bike truly delivers on comfort? The KTM 1290 Super Adventure R gives you an ergonomic, upright stance, a high-mounted seat, and wide handlebars built to attack any terrain. It's rugged, aggressive, and ready for anything. But the Ducati Multistrada V4 Pikes Peak? It's got a specially designed racing-style seat, clip-on handlebars, and a stance that brings you closer to the road, designed for those who crave speed with their adventure. One bike whispers, "Go anywhere." The other screams, "Go faster." Which voice speaks to you? 5. Price and value. Performance comes at a price. The KTM 1290 Super Adventure R starts at $20,299, giving you unparalleled off-road dominance without breaking the bank. The Ducati Multistrada V4 Pikes Peak? $28,995, a premium price for a premium ride, delivering the most high-tech, race-inspired adventure experience money can buy. So, do you want unfiltered off-road power for a lower cost, or a road-slaying, luxury-packed masterpiece? The choice is yours. 6. The ultimate question, which bike wins? At the end of the road, it all comes down to this. If you crave off-road dominance, adventure without limits, and untamed power, the KTM 1290 Super Adventure R is your machine. But if you want precision, technology, and the ultimate high-speed adventure, the Ducati Multistrada V4 Pikes Peak is calling your name. 2 legends. 1 decision. So, which beast is your perfect ride? Now, we want to hear from you. Which bike would you choose? Let us know in the comments. And if you love high-end motorcycles, speed, and adventure, hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications, because the next showdown is going to be even bigger. Ride fast, ride free, and we'll see you in the next video.